Hello and welcome to this course level 1 of Ableton Live 10. Ableton Live 10 is a powerful program used by the majority of DJs and electronic music producers. In this course, we are starting from the beginning and you will consolidate a basic knowledge on how to use the Ableton Live 10. From there, step by step, you will learn how to navigate through the program with confidence. The first thing we are going to see in this course is how to navigate through the program, how to open and close the windows, and how to divide the windows. We have two types of views. We have the session view and the arrangement view. We will also talk about their differences and how we will use them. We are going to see how this toolbar works. We will see the MIDI tracks, the audio tracks, and their differences. We will talk about the return and master channels. I will show you how to insert tracks and channels, how to change the color and the size, and how the track controls work. We will see this menu, how to organize it by color, our samples, our sounds. We will see the sounds, the drums, Max for Live, plugins, and all this. We will see how to insert MIDI clips in the MIDI tracks and how to write notes. We will see how to edit notes, how we make them bigger, smaller, how we raise or lower the octaves, how we divide the grid, and how we duplicate the bar. We will see how we can play the notes using the MIDI keyboard or using our computer keys. We will also see how we insert audio clips in audio tracks, how all these parameters are regulated, how we record MIDI clips and audio clips. We will also see how to duplicate the clips and how to organize our scenes. We are going to see how to record in the arrangement, and how to rearrange our song in the arrangement. How to add audio and MIDI effects to our tracks. How to modify our parameters. And how to automatize our tracks. We'll also see how to set up our initial preferences and export. For Mac users, the preferences will be in Live Preferences, and when I said Control, it means Command. And for Windows users, preferences will be in Options Preferences, and when I said Control, it is just Control. You will also learn how to use the majority of the Ableton Live instruments, such as rags, simpler, tension, impulse, wavetable, electric, and audio and MIDI effects, such as arpeggiator, chord, pitch, random, scale, velocity, autopan, EQ3, simple delay, and much more. And in summary, this will be the structure of your Ableton Live 10 course. If you are ready for this new and exciting adventure, let's go for it!